So you know what it's like when you've got to go travelling and you've got a load of cables and you've got those power bricks and you've got so much stuff you've got to take with you. Well, I've been having a think about this, and I think I've got a bit of a whizzy solution. I'm hoping it'll help me with my desk as well. But at the moment, see, it's a bit, I need to tidy up a bit. But fortunately, through the power of video, I can just go, that's a bit better. Although, there's still a bit of an issue over here going on. You see all this? All these cables? I've got a load of charge leads. Let me show you. So down here, I've got power brick after power brick. Apple power brick for this one, which goes through to the laptop. I've got another power brick here, which has currently got my phone on it, or sometimes I charge my iPad on it. And then I've got this one going on here, which is one of those wireless chargers for the AirPods. So if I want to charge my camera batteries, or if I want to charge any other device, I'll then use up the last port. So I've got to do something to sort out my cable management. And I think I found a solution. And here it is. 2 USB-C connections and 1 USB. This is going to reduce the amount of cables I need. So it's got on here a single 40 watt output on the top there, so you can plug the Max Pro in and charge it. So that got me thinking, didn't it? I thought, well, with this trip that I've got coming up to the States, I wonder if I can do anything better. So I've had a look online and I think I've got it. It's a Wotobe US. Now, it's kind of very similar to the Anker. This is a really great form factor and very small indeed for what it does. It's very powerful. This one takes it one step further. A couple of things that this has got. As it is the US version, this has got standard US fold out power connection. Here we've got 4 connections, 3 USB-C and 1 USB. And this has got a UK adapter. So what I can do is take my plug on, and now I can plug into the UK. Then when I'm over the States, take it off, straight in to the US sockets. So I only need to now take 1 adapter, and that's going to charge all my devices. There you go. That one. 1 Anker connector. There we go. So we've gone from all of those cables to that one. Of course, the other thing to think about when considering travelling is the weight. So what I thought I'd do is just see, using my high-tech, they're not mine, I'll be honest, I nicked my wife's cooking scales. I'll use these cooking scales and just see what sort of difference we've got between the two. Because that's going to have a massive impact, isn't it? You know, might be a few more extra underpants. So what we've got: power brick 1, power brick 2, power brick 3. Look at that. So that's 700, just over 700 grams. Right, now let's convert that to American. Right, same again. They were on £0. Pounds, I ask you. Gave that up hundreds of years ago. Come on, stay. So that is £1.50 of charger. So let's see what it comes to with the other one. There we go, that one Anker. Oh my word, what is that? That's 150 grams, 150 grams max. 150 grams versus nearly a kilo. What? Or 720 or whatever it was for the big one. Right then, so I'm interested to see how much longer I'm able to stay as a result of this little charger. So we've got Anker, I've got to get up to £1.5. There. I've got in here, I've got my pants all wrapped up into tight little bundles so I can get them on the scale a bit easier. So that's 1 pair, 2 pairs, like the moustaches, 3 pairs, 4 pair, 5 pairs, 6 pairs. Look, still below the weight of all the Apple chargers. I can stay for an extra 6 days. So I'm chuffed with that. These big bulky items reduced down to just this. That's going to make travelling damn sight easier. Extra pants too, can't beat it. So that's it for today. For this one is how I can reduce my cabling on the desk and also help myself with the travelling. This one will probably end up in the bag and nigh on exactly the same weight, but this one's got an extra port and it's at 130 watts. I'm going to give this a little test here with some of the devices, and then I'm going to use this on my next tour over the US. I've got some extra ideas on how to reduce cabling. That's for the next one. For now, my name's Rich and this is It's Adventure. I'll see you again very soon.